To the southeast of the Bahamas, a chain of islands marking the far eastern boundary of the Caribbean Sea. At their outer limit, jutting into the Atlantic, lies Barbuda. Like the Bahamas, Barbuda is flat and famous for its endless sandy shores. But step back from the beach and there's another, very different world. A vast, shallow lagoon dotted with mangrove trees. It attracts one of the world's most charismatic birds. At around 4,000 pairs, this is the Caribbean's largest colony of magnificent frigate birds. Each year from August to October, males fly in from other corners of the Caribbean to breed. Once a male arrives, he's got his work cut out to find a mate. First, he inflates a pouch to try to stand out from the crowd. He has to jostle for a good nest site, high in the mangroves, then fight off rival males to keep it. All this aggression can be seriously deflating. Once he's seen off the competition, he still has to lure a mate. He drums up interest from a browsing female, and she comes in for a closer look. It's hard to say exactly what a female looks for in a partner, but a good nest site is crucial. And this one isn't up to scratch. Plenty more birds in the sky. The females look for a location with clear access, where the wind can lift them on and off the nest. And this one seems ideal. But before the pair can raise a family, they have to build a nest. And for that, they need plenty of the frigate's most valuable currency: sticks. Loose sticks can be hard to find and easy to lose. The male is ambushed by his fellow frigates, the true pirates of the Caribbean. These high-speed aerial acrobats are experts at mid-air theft. The male needs all his flying skills to hang on to his stick, so he can build a nest.